Today we're going to demonstrate the Predator CNC Service Manager that is included with every Predator MDC installation. There's no additional charge for this feature or function of the application to collect data off machines using your Ethernet-based connections. The Predator CNC service typically runs on a server running 2008 R2 or 2012 and is running 24/7 as a CNC service. When the product is launched, you will see the screen above. To add a machine, there are different configurations for the software. When you press the Add Machine, you'll be prompted to the dialog box screen shown above. There are several options when connecting to your machine. We support Akuma Think, which is something you can actually install on your control, and the CNC service will run on the machine control in the background to allow you to collect real-time data off your machine. We also support remote and local protocols, which include Fanuc Backup, Fanuc FOCAS, Fanuc Robot, Hein, MT Connect, OPC, and others. These typically are used to communicate to your machine through the Ethernet connectivity on the machine control. For this example, we'll select the Fanuc 31. This is an I-series control that may have focus. As you'll see, there are many different dialogues that are defined. You're able to name the machine, select the type of protocol, in this case focus, define the IP address of the server where Predator is residing, and the port number. If this is correct, the checkbox will show green. We also have several different dialog boxes here to show you where to connect and what data you can capture. In this example, we're using the connection dialog box. This supports Ethernet or high speed to the Fanuc control, the IP address of the machine, which you may type in here, and the port number is typically 8193. You'll notice in my example that there's an exclamation mark over here that typically would indicate if the machine is pingable. So what it did is it checked the machine and see if it was reachable, and it confirms if it has focus. We are also setting the query frequency, and this can be defined how you choose of how frequently you want to capture the data off the machine. We also have a timeout, so if there's no response from the machine, we'll indicate this in our logs. We won't go into too many details, but you'll notice in this screen we have a status tab that will show you the options that are available to capture from the machine. In this example, we have an idle state, cycle, paused, auto, and then also we have indication of single block and feed hold, and also if the machine goes in emergency stop or generates a CNC alarm. We're able to determine the specific alarm number, if the machine is generally in alarm, or other details. If we look at the other tabs that are available in this dialog box, there's the spindle speed and feeds and rates. We also have counters, so we can count how many good parts, as well as the program number, the line that it's on, the tool number, offsets, as well as the diameter offsets. We also have the ability to read variables, as well as change the digital I/O of a machine. So we have details within the program that we can look at, where for example, if we're looking at a specific program running on the machine, such as setup or a warm-up program, we might be indicating that the machine is not running. These are just a few options that are available under the Fanuc, and in future videos we'll discuss Akuma and Mazak. We hope you found this video informative, and we look forward to speaking with you soon, or you may contact us on our website. Our website is shopfloorautomations.com, or you may contact us toll-free at 877-611-5825 to speak to one of our experts. Thank you.